Hello, today I'm going to show you how to remove the plus minus button from the navigator menu in WordPress. Sometimes we face the problem while building a website. See, here some menu items also showing, but it looks very awkward showing the plus minus button here. You can very easily remove it. It's very simple. First, go to Customize. Then click Additional CSS. Here you have to write a code which I have given in the video description. See, it is gone. I hope this video helped you out from the problem you're facing. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.